It seems that some of the more popular accessory videos on the channel are wheel covers or hubcap videos. EVBASE just sent us another set of wheel covers that are meant to replace the stock Gemini wheel covers on our Tesla Model Y. EVBASE calls these the Thunder style wheel covers and says that the design is inspired by the Tesla Cybertruck. I personally don't see the resemblance to the Cybertruck, but I do think these wheel covers are the most interesting wheel covers I've seen so far for the Model Y. There is a concave effect in the design, giving the illusion that the wheel is wider than it actually is. I've said this before, but wheel covers don't look as good as aftermarket rims and definitely don't provide the weight reduction or strength benefits that many aftermarket rims provide, particularly forged rims. But not everyone has thousands of dollars to spend on changing the look of their vehicle. Wheel covers instantaneously change the look of the vehicle for only a couple $100s less. And personally, I think the stock Gemini wheel covers are some of the worst choices aesthetically for the Tesla Model Y. The color, at least in the US, doesn't fit with the black trim elsewhere in the vehicle, and almost any wheel cover, or even completely removing the Gemini wheel cover, would be an improvement in the looks department. So EVBASE also claims that there is an efficiency improvement over the stock Gemini wheel covers, but based on the design of the wheel cover, which has larger openings than the Gemini wheel cover and thus increases the potential for aerodynamic drag, I doubt these wheel covers provide any efficiency improvements over the stock wheel covers. Just like any of our previous wheel cover videos, you'll note that these wheel covers install in minutes, and EVBASE includes a foam strip tape for the perimeter of the wheel cover to minimize scratches to the rim. If you're interested in purchasing a set of these for yourself, I've included some links in the description below. If you use our discount code, you'll get a percentage off of your purchase. If you don't like them, they're also fully returnable within 30 days. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.